guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. Not showing you this look, but if you guys want a tutorial on this look, make sure you go ahead, let me know in the comments down below. Today I'm actually and finally going to show you guys how I clean my lashes. Yes, because a lot of you have asked, and honestly, I need to clean my lashes. In my last video, I was gonna wear my Teshas, but I realized that they were dirty. So yeah, they need to be cleaned. So I hope you guys are cleaning your strip lashes. It is necessary to the longevity of the lashes and your health. Let's not get a sty, guys. We don't need any of that, ever, okay? So I'm gonna show you today how I clean my lashes. This is gonna be a different kind of video for me. I'm actually gonna be doing a voiceover. No, not like Raccoon did. This is going to be a serious voiceover because I'm going to be telling you guys and showing you how I clean my lashes. So here are my lashes. I have right here. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and check out ARiiEDbeauty.com. Link is in the description box below so you can grab a pair of my lashes, use them up, get them dirty, and then clean them while watching this video. Here are my Teshas. I'm gonna zoom in, and I'm gonna zoom in when I go ahead and show you how to clean them. They are dirty, okay? Dirty. The case has glue on it. I do like when I put the glue on, I let the lashes sit on it, but they're dirty. They just have. Those are my neon pigments, and they have glitter and they have shimmer on them from the glue, and they just need to be cleaned. So what you're going to need today are your lashes. Whatever lashes, if you're not using, if it's not my lashes, just grab whatever cheap lashes you got, grab them if they're not mine. Kidding. But no, go ahead, grab your lashes, grab the case that your lashes comes in. It's important to have the case because that is how you're gonna keep the shape of the lashes. Stop sleeping on your lashes, guys. You're messing them up, okay? When you're done with them, pop them back in these babies. It'll keep the shape and you'll know where they are. So you don't have just lashes all over the place. I don't know why these memes are a thing, but ladies, why you guys leaving your lashes everywhere? Like, it's weird. But yes, so you're gonna need your lashes with the case that they come in. You're going to need some micellar water. It's what I prefer to use. Or whatever you use to clean your lashes. Micellar water is my go-to. As you can see, I be using this bitch up. Be using it up. I'm going to also need a little dish or a container. Honestly, I use this for a lot. I got this from my Sephora points years ago. It's supposed to be a key holder, but no. I actually use it to mix my neon pigments, as you guys have seen, and to clean my lashes because it's perfect for that. So if you have a little dish or a container, whatever you use, something that's gonna hold the liquid. Just remember that. We're gonna hold the micellar water and the lashes in here. And the last two things you need are a spoolie and some paper towels. These are just things that you need. The micellar water is really cheap. Nothing here is really expensive, and a lot of things you may already have. So now that you guys know what you need, I'm gonna go ahead, set up the camera. We're gonna go ahead, clean the lashes together. You're probably just gonna see my hands because you guys don't need to see my face and clean lashes. And that's it. So if you guys are ready to see how I clean my lashes, keep on. Okay, so here's all my stuffs that I told you guys to get. I know, I'm annoying, I'm sorry. I did forget to tell you guys to get tweezers, so just make sure you have some tweezers on hand. Just not some really, not any really sharp ones. You just want some really good tweezers to clean off those lashes. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take our lashes, and when I said it was dirty, they was dirty. Look, can you see that? A mess. I'm going to use my tweezers. I'm going to take my lashes. Here's what they look like. Pretty dirty, as you can see. The first thing I'm going to do is take off any excess glue that is here. You can use the tweezers, you can use your fingers. For this first, I'm going to use my fingers just to check any excess. Okay, just kidding. I'm going to use my tweezers. You're going to want to pull away from the lashes. You don't want to mess them up, so be very careful when you do this, but pull away any excess glue, anything that you can get. You don't want to tug at the lashes. If anything is like a little too stubborn, you're just gonna want to leave it until you soak them. All right, so that's pretty stubborn. I don't want to mess them up. So these are my right side, and here's the left. They do have a left and a right, people ask. I'm just gonna do the same thing, only taking off the bits of glue that I can actually get without ruining the lashes. And you want to do this on the underside, and you want to check. See, look at all of that right there. I'm going to take that off. That's why I'm just being very careful. If it's not budging, it's not budging. Leave it, and we're going to soak those bad boys off. So I like to clean my lashes on like a Sunday, where it's like a chill day for me. I don't like to do anything on Sundays, so stop inviting me places on Sundays I don't want to go. I might go, but I don't want to. Just so you guys know that. So I think that's pretty much everything that I can get off of that without ruining the lashes. Again, you want tweezers that are not going to be too sharp, because y'all, they will pull. So next, we're just going to go ahead, take our micellar water in a little dish, and we're just going to, oh God, and we're just going to pour some right in there. Okay. Next, we're going to just place the lashes in there for about a minute. Yeah, so you just want to make sure that the lashes are soaked completely. I'm gonna leave it for about a minute on this side, and then I'm gonna flip them and make sure the other side is soaked as well. So I'm just gonna leave it here for a little bit. Probably make some space. Again, look at this packaging, y'all. It's so cute. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and cop these lashes. They are really, really good, and not just because they're mine, because they are really, really good. We're just gonna let that again soak for about a minute. Okay, so after I let the lashes soak for a minute on one side, I'm just gonna go ahead now and just flip it over gently. I've been using my tweezers this entire process because, one, my nails are really, really long, and it's just easier, and I don't wanna make a mess. Guys, stop. But I'm just gonna flip it over and let it soak for about another minute or so on the other side. Now that it's been soaking, look at it, it's soaking. Look at it, just marinating. Yeah, it's about to be clean. Follow me on Instagram. I'm just gonna go ahead now and take one lash, and I'm gonna start with the spoolie. And I'm just gonna start brushing the lashes out. I'm not brushing them all crazy. I'm not making them all wispy. I'm just brushing the lashes down and kind of out, just to get the remnants of the eyeshadow off of them. You guys know my looks are hella, look at that mess. That's just from using the spoolie. So a little bit of the hairs and fibers are gonna be coming out, but not in clumps like so many others. So next, I'm going to be using my tweezers just to pull off that glue. It is a little easier now that it's been soaking for a little bit, but not that easy because, it's glue. But I'm just gonna take my time. Look, I had to pick it up because I'm really gonna get that glue off. And I'm just gonna keep doing this. Honestly, it does take a little while, so you're gonna wanna just pop on your show, and that's that. So do you see how dirty this micellar water has been? Like, it's nasty because we're cleaning the lashes. That's how dirty your lashes are, and there's still more filth to get off of them. So we're gonna switch the water and go ahead, put in fresh micellar water, and we're gonna pop them bad boys back in there to soak some more. Use them tweezers, baby, use them tweezers. Also, make sure you go ahead, check out ARiiEDbeauty.com to grab yourself a pair of these beautiful 3D Mink lashes. They are really good, and they last a long time if you clean them like this. Here they are. It's been a while. They are pretty clean. They look a little crazy right now because they are still wet, so I'm just gonna let them sit in the box just so that it could maintain that little shape. The packaging, here's the box. Yes, we're cute. Oh, look at that box. Oh, good. There's my thumb. Yep, that was a thumbs up because they're pretty much done. You're gonna want to let them dry. I'm close the box for now, but hands, roll it. Ooh, sorry, my bad. But yeah, I closed the box for now, but you're gonna want to let them dry with the box open, like so. But that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork Crew, so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. I know this was different, but it was necessary. Sorry about the angle, but it was necessary. Wash your lashes. Y'all nasty. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.